But I think as Senator Warner and Governor Kane would agree, we can't have a system that's reliant on 3 days of free care and 362 days in which people don't have health care.
And because of the investments we've made, the use of clean, renewable energy in this, why wouldn't we want to start finding alternatives that make us less reliant, less dependent on what's going on in the Middle East? So we've got to develop new energy technologies, new energy sources. So even as we're tackling issues of supply and demand, even as we're looking at the long term in terms of how we can structurally make ourselves less reliant on foreign oil, we still need to work extra hard to protect consumers from factors that should not affect the price of a barrel of oil.
And I've been very clear that these kinds of arbitrary automatic cuts would have an adverse impact on families, on teachers, on parents who are reliant on Head Start programs, on our military readiness, on mental health services, on medical.
You're reminded daily that in this great democracy, you are but a relay swimmer in the currents of history, bound by decisions made by those who came before, reliant on the efforts of those who will follow to fully vindicate your vision.
They've been reliant for years, first on subsidies from the Soviet Union, then on subsidies from Venezuela. But it's reliant on all of us to keep pushing that boulder up the hill, to just be steady and persistent and understand that the work that we do today is ultimately going to lead to a better future tomorrow.